Hey travelers, imagine this. You're halfway across the world, your luggage is missing, you're navigating a language you don't speak, and your flight just got delayed. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But thanks to modern technology, situations like these are no longer disasters. They're just minor speed bumps. Welcome to Atlas IQ, where innovation meets exploration. Today, we're counting down 12 ways technology is making travel safer than ever before. Stick around because number 1 is a game changer that's practically a travel genie in your pocket. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 12 is the trusty digital wallet. Apps like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even cryptocurrency wallets have revolutionized how we pay while traveling. Imagine losing your wallet in Bangkok. Ouch. But you still have your phone. Digital wallets let you keep paying for meals, taxis, and even hotels without skipping a beat. Bonus: many digital wallets also offer fraud protection and can be wiped remotely if your phone is lost or stolen. Pro tip: before you travel, check if your destination supports your preferred wallet. Apple Pay works in over 70 countries, but crypto and Bitcoin wallets like Strike or BitPay can give you even more options for flexibility. Also, don't forget to set up multiple payment options. That way you'll always have a backup, whether it's a card, PayPal, or Bitcoin. Coming in at number 11, we have flight tracking apps. If you've ever been stuck at the airport because of a surprise gate change, flight tracking apps are your new best friend. Apps like FlightAware and Hopper give you real-time updates on delays, cancellations, and gate changes. They'll even send push notifications so you're always one step ahead. And here's where it gets even better. Some apps can suggest alternate routes or even help you rebook your flight if things go sideways. Seriously, who needs a travel agent when you've got these tools? Pro tip: set up alerts for all your flights, even if they seem on time when you check in. Flights can change faster than you can say, boarding zone 4. At number 10 on our list is smart translation devices. Let's be real, phrasebooks are cute, but they're about as useful as a flip phone in 2025. Enter smart translation devices and apps. Tools like Google Translate and Pocketdoc can now translate full conversations in real time, making language barriers a thing of the past. Imagine trying to order dinner in Tokyo or explaining a medical emergency in Berlin. With translation apps, just speak into your phone and it'll handle the rest. You can even use Google Translate's camera feature to read signs or menus instantly. Fun story: someone used Google Translate to explain lactose intolerance at a cafe in Paris. Crisis averted, croissant enjoyed. In our number 9 spot is AI-powered navigation tools. Gone are the days of crumpled maps, and you are here signs that never seem to make sense. Google Maps, Waze, and even Apple Maps now offer more than just directions. They warn you about traffic, suggest safer walking routes, and can even tell you which subway car to get on. But the coolest feature? Augmented reality. Google Maps AR mode overlays directions onto your phone screen so you know exactly where to turn, even in chaotic areas like Shinjuku Station in Tokyo. Pro tip: download offline maps before your trip. This way, even if Wi-Fi or data fails, you won't end up wandering around like a lost extra in a travel vlog. Landing at number 8 on our list is weather forecasting apps. Planning outdoor adventures? You'll need weather apps like AccuWeather or Windy. These tools do more than tell you whether to pack an umbrella. They offer detailed forecasts, live radar, and even safety warnings for extreme conditions like hurricanes or flash floods. For hikers, Windy's wind direction and humidity data can help you avoid sudden storms. For beachgoers, UV index alerts keep you from turning into a lobster. Safety first, right? Quick tip: set up location-based alerts. This way you'll get updates for wherever you are, even if your plans change last minute. Number 7. Virtual travel insurance apps. Travel insurance is no longer just paper forms stuffed in your carry-on. Apps like SafetyWing and Alliance now let you buy, manage, and file claims right from your phone. Some even offer 24/7 medical support and evacuation services. Imagine you're trekking in Peru and you twist an ankle. A few taps in the app and boom, you're connected with a local doctor or airlifted to safety if needed. No stress, no paperwork. Pro tip: take screenshots of your policy details and store them offline. It's a quick hack that can save time when Wi-Fi isn't available. Number 6. Virtual private networks, or VPNs. Okay, let's talk cybersecurity. Using public Wi-Fi without a VPN is like leaving your passport on a park bench. Not ideal. VPNs like NordVPN or ExpressVPN encrypt your data, protecting you from hackers when you're sipping coffee at that cute Parisian cafe. They also let you bypass geo restrictions. Can't stream your favorite show abroad? VPN to the rescue. Plus, they're perfect for accessing sensitive accounts like online banking without worrying about prying eyes. Pro tip: look for a VPN with a kill switch feature. If your connection drops, the kill switch ensures your data isn't exposed. Coming in at number 5 on our list is personal safety apps. Traveling solo? Apps like Be Safe and Noonlight are like having a virtual bodyguard. Features like live GPS tracking, emergency alerts, and fake call options can keep you feeling secure, especially in unfamiliar areas. For example, Be Safe lets you share your location in real time with trusted contacts. If you don't check in, it triggers an SOS alert. Noonlight works similarly, connecting you directly to emergency services at the touch of a button. Fun tip: use these apps on group trips too. They're great for keeping everyone connected during those divide and conquer sightseeing missions. Number 4 on our list is AI luggage trackers. Losing your luggage is the worst. But thanks to AI-powered trackers like Apple AirTags or Tile, your bags are never truly lost. These tiny devices sync with your phone to show you exactly where your luggage is, whether it's still in the airport or halfway to another city. Pro tip: attach trackers not just to your suitcase, but also to smaller essentials like your wallet or camera bag. You'll thank yourself later. Closing in on that number 1 spot at number 3, we have wearable safety tech. Smartwatches and fitness trackers aren't just for counting steps anymore. Devices like the Apple Watch can monitor your heart rate, detect falls, and even call emergency services automatically. For adventure travelers, Garmin watches offer GPS tracking and SOS alerts, even in remote areas. It's like having a lifeline on your wrist. Pro tip: make sure to activate fall detection if you're planning activities like hiking or skiing. It's a simple feature that could make a huge difference. At number 2 on our list is biometric security. Forget fumbling with boarding passes or IDs. Airports are rolling out biometric tech like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning to streamline check-ins and security screenings. Not only does this make traveling faster, but it's also safer, reducing the risk of identity theft or fake documentation. Cool fact: some airlines are testing facial recognition boarding, where your face becomes your ticket. Just smile and you're good to go. Finally, at number 1, the ultimate travel hack: AI personal assistants like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and Siri. These tools are revolutionizing travel planning and safety. Need to find the safest neighborhoods in Istanbul? ChatGPT has you covered. Want to learn how to say "where's the nearest pharmacy" in Italian? No problem. AI assistants can even create custom itineraries, suggest hidden gems, and help you avoid common scams. They're basically a travel guide, concierge, and safety net rolled into one. Fun idea. Before your trip, ask ChatGPT to write a packing checklist tailored to your destination. It'll save you from forgetting those travel adapters again. And that's a wrap. Technology has truly transformed travel, making it not just safer, but also smarter and more enjoyable. Which of these tools do you use on your adventures, or did we miss a must-have app or gadget? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips for tech-savvy travelers. Atlas IQ, where innovation meets exploration. Safe travels, everyone.